Aseki. Abantu baminto, today the 15th of April 2024. We have assembled today for a peaceful procession to protest the delay of the Nyamache DCC camp breach. Where we are standing, it's one of the most vital breaches we have in Bobasi constituency. This breach was swept away last year, 1st of May. Up to date, it's now 1 year. The breach has not been re-erected back. Our people are suffering. We have witnessed so many accidents here. Businesses have been shattered. Even our ordinary people cannot access the government services that are provided at the DCC's office, the services provided at the Nyamache Level 4 hospital. We have a KMTC. We have even the police themselves. We have the Nyamache parish where we have the local priests. They cannot be able to access the services provided by those entities. Today, after we have received so many petitions from our people, we are petitioning the office of the Member of Parliament. We are petitioning KERA. We are petitioning KENA. We are petitioning and any other relevant agency responsible to making this breach. We have given them 14 days that we must see work going on here. Failure to do so, again we will be on the streets. Protesting and picketing is our constitutional right. So we are doing it by our right. It's a right that we have to protest. When our people are suffering as leaders, we cannot keep quiet. Number two, we are protesting in relation to the unfair distribution of CDF funds across the 8 wards. We have 8 wards. We are reminding our Member of Parliament, Honorable Obiri, that CDF came as a result of an act of 2003. The result of that, the rationale behind was that we have development which is even across the country. What we are seeing here in Bobasi constituency is just shambles. We do not have fair distribution of resources. We are demanding as a people of Bobasi that we have a criteria that when we ask questions on the monies that we receive as a constituency, the Member of Parliament should be able to respond without blinking. We have raised reservations on the emergency fund that he is always allocating in his budget. We are raising reservations on the money for sports. We have never seen sports in Bobasi constituency, but every year there is an allocation that goes to sports. As Masige East and Sameta Mukwerero, we are raising concerns. We never received a single school bus, but the 6 wards that we have, they indeed received. Even 1 ward received 2. So we are asking our Member of Parliament, even when he's down there trying to allocate resources to wards, may he be guided by the principle of equity. Failure to do so, we have solutions. Equity to tasimamisha rege ya CDF ya Bobasi. Thank you. How we are going to do it? We will ask the control of budget in Nairobi. We will raise reservations about the unfair distribution of resources, and they will be forced to allocate equal funds per ward.